Hey, welcome back to You Can Change Vegan. I'm Matt and today we're making coconut and almond chia puddings. This recipe is based on the Rafaello chocolates, but I've made a chia pudding version that is vegan.
For the ingredients, we have black chia seeds, and following my channel tradition, I'm counting one for every subscriber. We are now on 543. We've got coconut, icing sugar, and soy milk. I'm making blanched almonds for the first time, which is really easy. You just put them in boiling water for 5 minutes and then into cold water to peel off the skins. And just giving them a quick little chop. You can use bowls or containers for this. I'm reusing some old jars.
So for the pudding, we'll take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I have black chia seeds into each jar. Half a cup of plant milk of your choice. I've got soy milk. Next is the sweetener. It's optional. I'm using icing sugar. So around 2 teaspoons of icing sugar. You can decide how much sugar or how little sugar to add. Next is a tablespoon of coconut. I've got shredded and desiccated coconut. And we'll give that a stir. So here are the chia puddings. So now we'll just wait 5 minutes and then give them another stir as the chia seeds start to absorb that liquid and thicken. So that's been 5 minutes. The chia puddings are starting to thicken up. We'll give that another stir just to keep it nice and even. We'll put the lids on and they can go into the fridge for a few hours or overnight. And then we'll put the chopped blanched almonds on top. So this is just one version of the recipe. You can change it based on your personal preferences. You can use hazelnuts instead of blanched almonds. You could add vegan white chocolate, or you could even use coconut milk or coconut cream for a richer coconut taste. The sweetener is optional, so you could use no sweetener, or you could use maple syrup or agave.
So they've been in the fridge for a few hours and they're ready to go. I'll put the blanched almonds on top and then have a taste. Yum.
So I'll leave the full recipe in the comment section. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.